The Arnolt-Bristol Competition Roadster was the result of American entrepreneur Stanley Harold Wacky Arnold's ambition to create a high-performance sports car with European engineering. Introduced in 1954, the car combined a British chassis from Bristol with an Italian body by Bertone, designed by Franco Scaglione. Arnolt, who had made his fortune during World War II, was already a distributor for MG and Bristol in the United States and had experience commissioning custom-bodied sports cars. The Arnolt-Bristol was based on Bristol's 404 chassis, featuring a lightweight tubular frame and independent front suspension. The car was powered by a 2.0-liter straight-six Bristol engine, originally derived from the BMW 328. Equipped with triple Solex carburetors, the engine produced 130 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute. This setup allowed the car to accelerate quickly, aided by its lightweight construction, which was approximately 2,100 pounds. To reduce weight for racing, aluminum-bodied versions of the car were produced. The competition model had minimal interior features, no bumpers, and a cut-down windscreen. It was highly regarded for its handling and balance, often outperforming more powerful cars on the track. In the 1955 Sebring 12 Hours, a team of 3 factory-entered Arnolt-Bristols finished first, second, and fourth in their class, earning the team trophy. They repeated their success in 1956 and again in 1960. Only 142 Arnolt-Bristols were built, including a few rare coupes. A fire in an Arnolt warehouse destroyed 12 cars, leaving only 130 completed vehicles. Despite its racing pedigree, the car struggled in the marketplace due to its high price, costing significantly more than an equivalent Corvette or Jaguar XK120. Sales were slow, and the last Arnolt-Bristol was not sold until 1963. After Arnold's death in 1963, his business empire declined and production ceased. Today, approximately 85 Arnolt-Bristols are believed to have survived. Their rarity and racing history have made them highly desirable among collectors. Restored examples can fetch between $117,500 and $172,500 for convertibles, with rare coupes commanding even higher prices. The Arnolt-Bristol remains a fascinating chapter in automotive history, an American-backed Anglo-Italian sports car that left a lasting mark in endurance racing and classic car circles.